Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who doesn't know me yet, I'm Oandasan, your YouTube creator. My contents are all about business, travel or adventure, and tutorials. For this day, I would like to share you how to grow your money on your Gcash.
Before we proceed, like and subscribe my channel. Just click the thumbs up and then click also subscribe and notify yourself by clicking the bell and then type your question here in the comment and then comment. I would like to have a big shout out to JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station. JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station is located at Boston Heights, Toclong, Kawit, Cavite. So for those who are located at Imus and Kawit, Cavite, you can order purified water at JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station. How to order? You can text or call this number. For those Globe user, it's 0977-3975-645 or Smart 0939-219390. Or you can also message at Messenger JJ Diamond. You can also like its FB page and YouTube channel JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station. Jane's Vacation Rentals. Don't forget to subscribe. You can like the page on the Facebook page and subscribe to this channel and check what are the available rooms or units for short or long-term rentals. You can check in Metro Manila, SMDC Residences located at Mandaluyong, Manila Rivercity Residences located at Santa Ana. For Cavite area, Amaris Homes located at Bacoor, Cavite. There are more vacation rentals still for constructions, so just keep browsing Jane's Vacation Rentals on the FB page to see all the available units that is good for you. For this day, I would like to discuss you how to travel around the world without spending a lot of money. Okay, so listen carefully and then I will give you the secret, okay?
Alright, so yeah, go back to our topic for the day, how to grow your money on Gcash. So let's start. First, open your Gcash app, then click GSave. Alright, so as you can see here, the annual interest rate of the money is 2.6%. It is more than any other bank. Most saving accounts from major banks in the Philippines grow funds at a measly rate of 0.10% to 0.25% per year. See, in GSave, it has much higher rate interest than any other bank. Alright, so now if you decided to save your money on GSave, then yeah, just click open a savings account, then register your name there. Just a simple reminder, just be sure that you didn't register to GCredit so that you can open a savings account on GSave, okay? Otherwise, you will not able to open an account. Okay, then another way of growing your money on Gcash is putting your money on GInvest. Just click GInvest, then choose where do you want to invest your money. Anyway, it is only 50 pesos minimum on investing. So in investing, you need to consider if you want to invest in a conservative way or in a moderate way or aggressive way. It is up to you. Anyway, this is a mutual fund and you can add investment anytime or you can also withdraw them anytime. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Miss Jane Oandasan. See you again on my next tutorial.